What's your name?
My name is Suzette Shepherd.
So you said you bought new species before?
I bought the anti-inflammatory before.
Why?
Because I wanted to get it for my son. I mean, he was having a lot of strep throat.
How old is he?
He is 3.
What's his name, Luke?
His name is Luke. So my son hospitalized in Montefiore for RSV. I don't know if I brought it to him from work or whatever, but he was there. And
what type of work you do?
I'm a nurse.
Oh, okay.
So he actually had RSV, and we were in Monty for 10 days inside the PICU.
What's the PICU?
The pediatric intensive care unit. And he was just not getting better. Not getting better. They were giving him all the antibiotics, giving the chest PT, and he was not getting better. And I was afraid that my son was going to die. And so I had my anti-inflammatory in my bag, and I will give him a drop every day.
While he was in the hospital?
While he was
you
in the
cheater,
hospital.
you.
I don't care. My son is going to live.
Did the doctors know that?
No, they don't. And I came, you know what? My son came from too far for him to die.
Right, he was born prematurely.
Right. 1 pound, 3 ounces. I was not going to let him die.
He was born 1 pound.
3 ounces.
3 ounces.
And yeah, after 3 days, they wanted to take him off life support, and I told them no.
Well, people need to hear this.
And I said, God says,
that they shouldn't give up.
God says no, he's going to live. And the lady, the doctor, she came again, and she was like, he's going to be like a vegetable. And I had a friend that was a doctor, and said, well, you're 39, you're going to, you could go have another kid, but he's going to be a burden to you for the rest of your life. And I said, you know what? God said he's going to live, and my son is here. My son is walking. He's not talking, but, I mean, he's babbling. And
when we're done, he will talk.
Yeah.
Well, when New Species is finished with them, he'll talk.
Amen. Yes, and I said,
wow.
If this guy said the anti-inflammatory word.
Which guy?
Aston. I said, Aston said on the radio that the anti-inflammatory worked, and I gave my son, I'm not going to lie, because I told everybody this, I gave him the anti-inflammatory every day in the hospital.
For how long? 10 days?
For the 10 days he was in the hospital, even when he was NPO, I gave it to him.
What does NPO mean?
Nothing by mouth. He started feeling better after me giving the end there.
Really?
He started to feel better.
Wow.
I'm telling you, he started turning around. I was not going to lose my son. And I'll be a New Species person with my son right here for life.
Okay.
You could quote me on that.